BMW M6, and this is actually the first, it's the first time this year that I've taken this car out, and it's amazing. It's 78 degrees here, which is kind of crazy to have that kind of temperature in March, but it feels good. Now, I did a video last year about owner abusing this M6 because, I don't drive this car as much. This isn't a permanent collection, and I drive all my cars, but I've got to figure out a way to drive this car a little bit more this year. Right now, we've got 19,489 miles on a car that's a 2017, and I am the original owner, so go figure. This is a 2007 BMW M6, and if you've been following my channel for a while, you guys know that I am a sucker for naturally aspirated engines, especially large displacement. So this is a 5-liter V10 engine, the last of the naturally aspirated line, unfortunately, from BMW. So that's what we've got. But this car has been modified because I had some cosmetic modifications. That thing you hear behind me is not the stock exhaust that comes with this M6. It is actually the Eisenman race exhaust. I even did a video years ago focusing just on the Eisenman race exhaust. I'm going to put it in the link up above here. Oh, God. I'm going to put the windows up here a little bit just to reduce the wind noise. But you're seeing my response. It's almost like a first response to this car again, because every season I pull it out of storage and I drive it for the first time, it reminds me why I still have this car, and two, why I fell in love with it in the first place. My buddy Autovlog has the M5 V10, so that's the E60. This is the E63 because it's a convertible version. His car is manual, which is rare. The Europeans, nowhere else in the world do they get the manual gearbox. And the manual gearing was not quite right for this car, but Americans demanded a manual, so BMW brought it to them. And that car is pretty rare. You find an M6 or an M5 that's a 6-speed manual, it's a rare bird. But I didn't mind the SMG. This is SMG3, which was the pinnacle of sequential gearboxes at the time. Oh, man. But clearly, compared to now, downshift isn't so bad. I have it in the highest mode possible. I'm going to hit the M button. Oh, you got 500 horsepower. When you did that, but when you shift, you could tell. All right, let me do this here. I'm gonna get down here a little bit. When you shift, you could tell the difference between when you shift and the actual gear shift, and that was a problem with a sequential gearbox. Now we have dual clutch. The M5 that I had, the F10 M5, the BMW i8. I mean, all these are better gearboxes than this. And just like people complain about the gearbox in the Aventador, I don't mind this. This gearbox gives this car its character. And I don't mind. So I'm gonna say I would not change anything about this car, frankly, for anything. I love this car, and that's one of the reasons why it's going to be in the collection for a while. Now, I took it out of storage because I'm going to get it serviced tomorrow. And if you guys want to see what the cost is for annual service on this bad boy, let me know, and I'll do a video just on that. Or if there's nothing major on service tomorrow, I may just sort of put it as a part at the end of this video. But it is something about a convertible like this that's just makes it awesome. You can hear the exhaust note, you can drop the windows, drop the top, and you're a part of the environment. It's kind of crazy. Look at traffic on the other side, kind of nuts. 500 horsepower. Here we go, baby. Oh, this thing is just so much fun to drive. It's unbelievable. I mean, and these have come down in price. I mean, I think you can get, you know, something with my mileage is honestly a bit of a premium, but these are in the 25 to 35 and a little higher than that, $1,000 range. This car, fully loaded, the way I spec'd it was, I think a little over 100,000, was like 105, 110 at the time. And as you can see, I chose silver gray metallic, which is the exterior color, over this red, I think was called Indianapolis red. All right, hold on. You guys got to hear this. Yes, over Indianapolis red interior. Lots of carbon fiber in this car. Tons of carbon fiber. I have a couple of cosmetic changes that I did to it, including the steering wheel has carbon fiber inlays that didn't come like that stock from BMW. The surround around the iDrive, excuse me, is also not stock. The mirror caps are not stock, they are carbon fiber. And the rear spoiler and front splitter are from AC Schnitzer, so those are not stock. They're fully carbon fiber, but I had them painted, and in retrospect I should have left a little bit more of the spoiler on the back exposed so you can see that it's carbon fiber, but oh well. I still love this car. It is so much fun to drive. Anyway, I figured I'd take this out, do a quick video to remind you guys that, yeah, still got the M6, and she is a beast. Hold on, a little overpass here. Crazy, there she is. Oh man. Yep, the BMW M6. Now I have a low tire pressure reading here, and that's because they're probably a little low. They've been sitting, but I have nitrogen in there as well, so I'm going to get them to top that off tomorrow, and we should be good. But anyway, let me know if you want to see more videos on the M6, and let me also know what kind of videos you want to see me shoot in this M6. Like I said, it's not even 20,000 miles. I am ashamed to say I've probably put less than 500 miles last year on this car. On the other hand, the Performante is at 15,000 miles. Hey, I drive my cars. I need to drive this more, I know. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Please go ahead, and hit the subscribe button if the first time you're seeing my videos, and turn notification on, because I'm noticing that a lot of you guys aren't getting my notifications. Come on, YouTube. Come on. Fix it. Anyway, thanks again for watching, guys. We'll see you again, as I always say, in the next video. Keep motoring.